Bandit series for the women on wheels and one in the 4-cylinder. So she's won championships in both of those style cars. Pretty cool. Lights on the car corner pace truck are out. As Ryan Ostenson's going to set the pace, he's going to wind them up here. They come, here they come, here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. And Eric Pearson's going to try to get out to an early lead. You can see on the side of the 17 car and Ryan Ostenson, his daughter Tessa is having a happy birthday. So happy birthday, Tessa. But here comes Wicked Wanda Dobbs to make the move already. Here she comes. And she's already in second place. And she clocked in with a 16.414, so we were close. Eric Pearson clocked in with a 16.400. That's amazing. He cannot go any faster than that. Let's see. And he just did, so Eric Pearson clocked in with a 16.379. He's going to get the black flag, unfortunately. You cannot break out. He clocked in with a 16.379. So our new leader is going to be the one of Wicked Wanda Dobbs. Hopefully she doesn't do the same. No, that time was a 16.679. So Wicked Wanda Dobbs in the 1 car is your leader, followed by Ostenson, followed by Garrett Braden as the 5E of Eric Pearson, just getting real excited and wanting to win this race, and just you cannot go faster than 16.400. Now, I think the 1 of Wicked Wanda Dobbs may have thought she broke out, and she didn't. But now our new leader is Ryan Ostenson, so Wanda Dobbs just not sure what was going on there, and Garrett Braden looking to make a move. We'll see if Wanda Dobbs can do something. So yeah, it sucks when you think they're talking about you, and you're like, okay, all right, it's me, and it's not. Wanda Dobbs, wow, got a little loose there in turn 2, way hard on the inside. Garrett Braden pulling his car off of the track, not sure what's going on there, but it's a 2-car race with 2 laps to go. I'm thinking the 17's going to win. How about you, Rockford Speedway? Wouldn't that be something if he broke out? That would be horrible. Let's hope that doesn't happen, but he's going pretty fast. That time, Ryan Ostenson with a 16.672. He's safe. Wanda Dobbs, safe still. Last lap, let's see what Ryan Ostenson does here. Slow and steady wins the race this time, Ryan. Here comes your winner. It's Ryan Ostenson, followed by Wanda Dobbs. I believe Garrett Braden will check in at being 3rd because he stayed on the track a little longer, and then it would be the 4th place of Eric Pearson, who broke out. See, that's got to be a challenge for these drivers to think, I'm supposed to go real fast, but not too fast. That would be very hard to drive the car and then deal with that. But if you're doing spectacular drags, you don't have to worry about that at all. So once again, spectacular drags will follow the original Sixers heat races. If you got something to prove here at Rockford Speedway, you like to drive fast, you're one of those people that likes to fly down the Perryville Speedway, Perryville Road, but you got to worry about getting tickets. Here at Rockford Speedway, there's no tickets out here. You go as fast as you want. You can drive your car as fast as you want to. Show us how fast your car goes. Let me see. The fans and I want to see what you can do. You ain't got to worry about getting a speeding ticket or nothing. Come on out. Let's see what you got. Go down to the pit shack. Get signed up. Make some noise, race fans. It's Ryan Ostenson.